Good morning, everybody. So today's video is all about a science experiment. We thought we'd do something fun, and we're going to talk about density. So this science experiment is called the dancing raisins. So let's go and have a look. Okay, for the dancing raisins science experiment, you're going to need 2 bowls of raisins, a glass of tap water, and a glass of sparkling water. All right, so I'm going to start here with Julie Ann, and Nathan's also joining us today. They're going to show us the dancing raisins experiment. So now, what we're going to do first is we're going to put the raisins into the glass of water. But before we do that, I want you guys to think and tell me, what do you think the raisins are going to do when we put them into the glass of water?
They're going to dance. They're going to dance.
You think they're going to dance. Why do you think they're going to dance?
Because of them. I think when they fall in by the water, so they can't stay up straight, so they just like.
Okay, so you think that's what dancing raisins mean. Okay, Julie Ann, can you take the bowl of raisins, please, and pour them into the glass of water? Okay, what did they do? What did the raisins do?
They fall.
They sank to the bottom of the glass. Are they moving?
No.
No. Okay, do you know why the raisins sank to the bottom of the water?
No.
Because raisins are heavier than water. So we say that the raisins are more dense. So because the raisins are denser than the water, they sank all the way to the bottom. All right, now, what do you think is going to happen when we pour the raisins into the sparkling water?
I think you'll dance.
Okay, because of the name of the experiment. Okay, Nathan, so pour the raisins into the sparkling water. Let's see, what are the raisins doing?
They're dancing.
You can see they're going up and they're falling down.
They're dancing.
Yeah, so it's like they
Dancing.
Dancing.
They're like doing ballet, jumping up and down. Doing different tricks.
Okay, can I explain why they're dancing? Because in the sparkling water, there's a gas called carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is an air molecule which is lighter than water, so it is less dense than water. So what happens is, when we open the bottle of sparkling water, we've released the gas from the water. So when we pour the raisins in, all the air pockets form around the raisin. They form a little bubble jacket. So if you look carefully, if you look at the raisins, you will see they are covered in lots of little bubbles. And while they're covered in bubbles, we know that air is lighter than water. It's less dense. So the raisins pop up to the top, and then once air bubbles pop, the raisin sinks back down to the bottom. Okay, so that is called the dancing raisin experiment. Okay, so that was our dancing raisins experiment. I hope you enjoyed it as much as what Nathan and Julie Ann did. And please feel free to try it at home with Mommy and Daddy, and let us know how you enjoyed your experiment. Have a lovely day. Bye.